want to say thank you to the Internet Society of Greater DC for helping us co-host this event, and thank you to all of you for coming. What am I doing? What are we trying to do here this morning? So, which mic? Okay. What are we trying to achieve here today? One of the things we're trying to achieve is make sense of what we mean by governance of the Internet of Things. My background is I've done a lot of work on intellectual property, and intellectual property presents a particular model of governance. Governments negotiate with commercial players internally, nationally, and then they go off and they make an international governance regime through international organizations. When the internet came along and challenged this, it's like, well, we can't do it like this anymore. We had to do something called multi-stakeholderism. We had corporations and non-profits who would be part of this multi-stakeholder process of trying to hash out together how to govern the internet. And then comes the Internet of Things, and it's just this vast cloud of different problems, things which are subject to national and domestic laws, to local laws, which have all kinds of, but which now are also part of the internet in some way. And so we get this plethora of issues. I can't even list them all. Issues around security, issues around privacy and data, issues around intellectual property, issues around liability, issues around surveillance. And so what we expect today is that by the end of today we'll have sorted this all out, we'll know how we're going to govern the Internet of Things, and all of these issues will be resolved. So no, we don't quite anticipate that. What we want to do is explore some of them, grapple more deeply with some of the dynamics of governance, and some of the sort of crucial questions, and see if we can just get a deeper understanding. So without more, I'm going to introduce our first speaker, who is joining us from the UK. And this is Alexandra Deschamps-Sassino,